What's up guys, Wilson here with another fun project to share with you, which is for this car, a brand new BMW X5 50e, and the color on here is Sapphire Black. Now what we'll be doing to this is protecting the entire car with SatinGuard PPF, changing the gloss paint into the richest, deepest satin sheen possible while giving it the best paint protection possible. For many of the black trim pieces, we're going to leave those gloss to give it really nice contrast. And after that is done, we'll be ceramic coating the entire car and tinting it with Spectra Photosync IRD, the best heat blocking window film in this entire industry. So we're going to get this entire process started, and at the very end, check out this transformation. Alright guys, this project is finally completed, and as you can see, it's looking really gorgeous out here in this kind of lighting. First off, for the rest of this video, what I want to do is show you what we did on here and talk about some of the specifics. And let's start with the window tint. What this owner chose is Spectra Photosync IRD 30% on the front two windows and 70% over the entire front windshield. On the rear privacy glass, she chose IRD 70%. Since it's already dark, she didn't want to black it out too much. And for those of you who follow us normally for all of our videos, you know that we use Spectra Photosync IRD as our exclusive window film of choice here at Premier. And the reason being that this is the highest heat blocking window film line in the entire industry. And what this choice of tint shade really does is it matches the entire look of this car that the owner is going for. So now, as far as SatinGuard is concerned, you can see it's completely over all of the gloss painted panels on this car. And one thing that we did for this owner is, as you can see, there are a lot of black trim pieces, gloss black trim pieces that we left gloss for a specific reason, and that is to give it more contrast. And if you come take a closer look at this mirror, for example, the top side we protected with SatinGuard, and the bottom side we protected with Clear Coat Alpha G2 PPF. And what that does, again, you can see that really nice contrast here. Another area that we did that for is this front end. We swapped out the chrome grille that was on here previously, and we swapped it out with this gloss black grille. And as you can see, we left this entire center area gloss black right now, just to give it that extra contrast. And this really makes it more unique instead of having the entire car satin. And again, everything that we do here is 100% custom installed so that it is as seamless as possible. And that's really, really important for satin wraps, because whenever you do any kind of pre-cut kits or have pre-cut templates that have a lot of joining pieces, you inevitably will have some gloss showing through. And for SatinGuard or any kind of matte satin paint protection film, we want to avoid that as much as possible. So another project here completed. This owner will be coming to pick up the car soon, and I want to thank you for watching another one of our videos. And until our next one, stay tuned and I'll see you soon.